Let's do another ABG practice question. And remember, ABGs are super tricky, so I think the more practice questions you can do, the easier they get. And also check out my ABG crash course. So let's start off with pH. We're going to have a pH of 7.12. We're going to have a CO2 of, let's say, 56. And then let's do a bicarb of 29. I always start off by looking at the pH. And so here the pH is low, which means we have some sort of acidosis going on. Next, I'm going to look at the CO2. Normal CO2 is between 35 and 45, so because this is 56, we have a high CO2, meaning that it's contributing to an acidosis. Then I will look at bicarb, and here our bicarb is high, and normally with a high bicarb, this contributes more to an alkalosis, which means we have some sort of compensation going on. So right off the bat, we know we have an acidosis, and because the CO2 is contributing to that acidosis, we know that we have a respiratory acidosis going on. Now we have to look at compensation. Our pH is out of range, so is our bicarb. This means that we are trying to compensate, but we haven't fully compensated. So we have a partially compensated respiratory acidosis going on. Okay, let me know if this was helpful and if you have any more questions.